Fava beans are one of the foundations of the Egyptian food, but outside of the region, most people barely think about them. And that's a shame, because when they are done well, they are rich, creamy, deeply savory, and incredibly satisfying. So today I'm making my own Alexandrian-style version to show you why this humble dish deserves a lot more attention. Welcome back to Nomadic Treats, where we bring the world into your kitchen. Today we're heading to Egypt. This is the second video in my short series exploring Middle Eastern dips beyond the usual ones. I'm starting with 1.5 cups of dried fava beans, which is about 300 grams, and these were soaked in overnight. Now I'm draining them, rinsing them, and transferring them to a pot. I'm covering them with fresh water, adding a half teaspoon of baking soda and bringing them up over high heat. That baking soda helps the beans soften more easily. As they cook, you may get a bit of white foam on the surface. If that happens, just skim it off. And I'm covering the pot only partially so the beans can cook properly without boiling over. Make sure to test them for softness before turning the heat off. You want them as soft as possible. While the beans are cooking, I'm getting the vegetables ready. I'm grating half an onion, dicing half a green bell pepper, and 1 large tomato as finely as I can. Finally chopping 2 garlic cloves and chopping 1 bunch of parsley. I'm also setting a little of the onion, tomato, green pepper and parsley aside for garnish later. Now the beans go back with a ladful of their cooking liquid and I start pulsing them. You want the texture creamy and soft, but still with a bit of body. If it feels too thick, just add a little more of that cooking liquid until it loosens up. Now I'm heating a little olive oil in a pan. In goes the onion first, and I'm giving it a couple of minutes. Then I'm adding the green pepper and the garlic and cooking that until the garlic becomes fragrant. Now in goes the tomato, the parsley, and I'm stirring that briefly before adding 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then I lower the heat to medium and let that cook until the vegetables soften and everything comes together. Now the fava beans go back in. I'm mixing everything well. Now I'm seasoning with 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Then adding 4 tablespoons of tahini, which is about 60 millimeters or ¼ cup. And if you're wondering which tahini I like to use, I've linked my favorite brand in the description below. And finally, a drizzle of lemon juice if you want that extra brightness. Now I taste. This is a point where you want to adjust it until it feels right. It might need a little bit more salt, a bit more cumin, or a touch more lemon, depending on your taste. Now it's ready to serve. I'm spooning it into a serving bowl, then topping it with some of the reserved onion, tomato, green peppers and parsley. And to finish it properly, a generous drizzle of olive oil over the top. It's simple, but it looks great. If you enjoyed this, stay tuned because this Middle Eastern dip series is just getting started. And if you haven't seen my first video in the series yet, go check out my Muhammara video next. And thanks for watching.